Downloading data from Wish can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. Here is a simple guide to help you through it. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Wish website or open the app and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon on AIM in the top corner of the screen. Step 3. Find data download option. Look for an option related to data privacy or data download. This may be labeled as download your data or something similar within the account settings. Step 4. Request your data. Follow the prompts to request your data. You may need to specify the type of data you want to download, such as auto history or personal information. Step 5. Download the data. After your request is processed, you will receive a link or notification to download your data. Click on the link and save the file to your device. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully download your data from Wish. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Wish customer support for assistance.